YouTube short video setting. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can use short video on YouTube. Okay, so guys, if you don't know how you have to do, okay, how you have to get the short video and how you have to do the settings in short video, then watch this video. Okay, I'm going to tell you about a short video in YouTube because YouTube has already launched a short video feature. Okay, so if you don't know, then simply stay tuned with the video and watch it. Okay, so after watching this video you will get to know about the short videos. Okay, where you will get it and how you can get the short video options. Okay, and from where you have to do the short video setting. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's start up the video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. So now let's go to YouTube. Okay, so first you have to open up the YouTube, and then guys, as you can see, okay, here I'll show you. So you have to click here on the plus button. Okay, so if you click here you can see a short video option, so you have to click to do all the settings. And guys, to get short video feature on YouTube, you have to update your YouTube. Okay, so after you update your YouTube, you will get a short video feature and you can use the short video feature on YouTube. So this is how you have to set it, and this is how you have to use the short video on future. And guys, this is how you have to get it. Okay, so I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.